Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to view the download and upload progress on your PlayStation 5. So first what I'll do is I'll start a download. I'll just download Astro Playroom. So when you click download on any game, you can stay on the page here and it'll indicate that it's downloaded at the top right hand corner, and also it'll show you the download progress here on the main page. Now if we come back to the main page on the PS5, if you come across the top here and select the game, it'll indicate at the bottom here how much has downloaded. You can come down and click this. Also you can press the PlayStation button on your control pad and then come across the bottom and come to downloads and uploads. Now clicking this will bring up your downloads and upload progress. As you can see, it tells you how long's left on the download. You can also click it and it'll give you a little bit more information how many gig is left to download. And that is how to check and view the download progress on your PlayStation 5. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.